Hi everybody, welcome to this magazine channel. So today I want to talk about Form 2 Chapter 3 Algebra Expression. Let's look at the first questions. Okay, identify the unknowns in each of the following algebraic terms. So for part A and part B, you should have no problem to state the unknown. Okay, for part A, it's very easy. The unknown involved is P and H. How about B? And you should have no problem. R, S, and T. But for C, you have to be careful. What is the unknown that involve P, Q, R? You can only write R, not R squared. Okay? So same thing for D. When I ask you, identify the unknown in these algebraic terms. So you cannot write E squared F G cubed. Cannot. The unknown involved is E, F, and the last one is only G. Okay? Not G cubed. And you should have no problem to solve these questions. Let's go to the second question. Okay, for this question, we need to find or write out the coefficients for the involved unknown. Okay, so for the first part, we look at A. Okay, this one, 3p squared q 3p squared q r cubed. So now for this part, we need to state the coefficient for q. Okay, for this question is actually very easy. When we want to state the coefficients for q, we just ignore the q. The rest we copy. Okay, now we have 3p squared q r cubed. Now we need to state the coefficient for q. We just circle up the q. The rest we just write. So the answer will be 3p squared r cubed. Okay, so how about the second part? Okay, this second one may be a little bit hard. So 3p squared q r cubed. Okay, so if I want you to state the coefficient of these algebraic terms, you cannot circle out the p squared because the unknown is only p. So you can just separate it out, become like this. Because p squared you have 2p and 1q, and you have 3r. So now this part is a coefficient for p. You just circle 1p. The rest you just copy. 3p q and r cubed. Okay. Actually, you don't have to do so. If you can be fast, you can be faster. You can do it this way. So when we talk about p, it's only p to the power 1. So you just cancel 1. You can just cancel it. The 2 become 1. Then you will have 3p q r cubed. Okay, how about the third one? How about this one? R cubed. So the coefficient will be 3p square q. Okay, so how about this one? So this one I'll write out first. 3p square q r cubed. Okay, what is the coefficient of pq? So it's 1p and 1q. So cancel it. You have 1 only. And q. You just cancel the whole q. So the rest will be 3p r cubed. If you feel that this method make you confused, you just do it this way. 3p square q r cubed. So you write out it in expanded form. 3. You have 2p here, 1q, and 3r. Okay, so the question is talking about pq. You just circle the p, circle the q, and the rest you just copy. 3p r cube. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write r here. So we have 3r, so r cube. Okay, how about this one? 3p square q r cube. And the unknown is p and r. Okay, so p and r, we have 1p and 1r. You cancel it. We have 1 left, and here only 1r. So we cancel it. We have 2r. So the coefficient is 3p Q R square. Okay, so the third one. Okay, sorry, not the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, number 6, huh? So 3p square q r cube. Okay, now the unknown is pr cube. Pr cube, you have 1p and r to the power of 3. So you cancel it. You have 1 left. R cube, whole thing you cancel it. So the rest is 3pq. 3pq. Okay, for this part, you try your own. I give you the answer later. Okay, for the rest, can you get the answer that I show you here? Hopefully that you can get the answer all correctly. Okay, let me just go to the third questions. Okay, before I go to the third question, this is better. I think I will discuss this all with you first, so make you understand it better. Okay, we look at this one. We have 3p square qr cube. So now we are talking about p square r square. Okay, so you can have two ways, like just now I told you. You can write all p plus 2p, p multiplied by p, q, and 3r here. Okay, so you want p square, you can circle or you just cancel up. 2p, r square, cancel 2r. You left 3qr. 3qr. If you don't want, you can just do it this way. It's very simple and easy. P square, cancel p square, r square, but here is q. You cancel 2, 3 minus 2, you have 1 left. So it's 3qr. Okay? So this one, 3p square, same thing. Okay, but now the unknown is 3pqr. Okay, so you have 3, you just cancel the 3, 1p, 2 minus 1, 1 left. Q, 1 here only 1, you just cancel up. Here is 1r, 3 minus 1, you have 2 left. So the answer will be p r square. Pr square. So how about the second last? 3p square qr cube. Okay, now it's 3p square cube. This is square. Okay, you have 3 here, cancel the 3. P square, here p square, cancel whole thing. And q, 1, here also have 1 only, you cancel it. Okay, we left r cube. So the answer is r cube. So the last one, 3p square qr cube. Okay, so the unknown is 3qr square. Okay, 3, you just cancel the 3. Q, 1q, you cancel the whole thing here. R square, so we have 2r, here you have 3. So 3 minus 2, you get 1 left. So it will be p square r. Oh, sorry, this answer should be p square r. Okay? Okay, this question number 3, determine whether the following pair of terms are like terms or unlike terms. Okay, we look at part A. So what's like terms? Like terms means that the two algebraic terms having exactly the same unknown, and the power for every unknown is raised to the same power. Okay, so you have this one, you have rs, r to the power 1, s to the power 1. Here we have sr. The sequence is not important. rs is actually equal to sr. So r power 1, r power 1, s power 1, s power 1. So for part A, it's like terms. This pair of algebraic terms is like terms. Okay, how about B? A, C, A, B. You see, you have C here, but you don't have C here. You have B here, but you don't have B here. Their unknown is slightly different. So we say the two algebraic terms are unlike terms. Unlike terms. So about part C, uv square uv squared. Okay, like terms. How about d? xy squared, x squared. Okay, here is power 1, but here is power 2. But the y is power 2 here, but the y here is only power 1. So they are unlike terms. So how about e? Okay, x power 1, y power 1, x power 1, y power 1. But they are actually unlike terms. Why? Because x is equal to x power 1. When you write 5 over x, the power of x is actually 5x negative 1. So the power of x here, if you want to write on the top, the power is actually negative 1. Okay, so they are unlike terms. Unlike terms. Be careful here, huh? So 1 or sorry, let me use another example. 2 over 5x vs x over 6. These like terms 1 1. How about this one? X over 6 1 over x. Unlike terms. They are unlike terms. The x here is power 1 is actually equal to 1 over 6 multiplied by x, and this is actually equal to 1 multiplied by x negative 1. The power of x is actually negative 1, so they are unlike terms. Okay, we go to the f part. G to the power of 1, g to the power of 1, h to the power of 3, h to the power of 3. Okay, they are like terms. Okay, so let me explain a bit about this. 2 over 5x is actually equal to 2x over 5, but it is not equal to 2 over 5x. These two are the same. These two are the same, but they are different from this one. Okay, okay, let's go to the next example. Okay, this question is talking about find the product of each of the following, the product of two algebraic terms. Okay, so I show you harder one. How about G? I show you G and H. 15xy multiplied by negative 2 over 5x squared y. This is actually very easy. 15xy, this 15xy is actually equal to 15 multiplied by x multiplied by y. But we do not do this way. We do not write the term this way. We just combine all together. You will get 15xy. So if you want to multiply each other, you can group the number together. Group the number together. Then x, you have one x here, x squared. And how about y? You have y here. Here you have only one y. So this part you can simplify it. You can simplify it. And don't forget the negative. When you see a negative, you have to be extra careful. So 3 multiplied by 2, because of negative, negative 6. So x. Here is 1x, here's 2. So total up you will get 3. Okay, so 1y, 1y, you will get y2. Okay. Okay, let me go to the last one, h. Negative 1 over 2 pq multiplied by 4 over 9 p squared r. Okay, when you see multiplication or division, you have the mixed number. You try to change it become improper fraction, and it will be negative 3 over 2. And you should have no problem to change a mixed number to an improper fraction, right? Okay, then I group the number together, 4 over 9. Okay, so you have p is from here, and we have another p square is from here. Okay, so we have one q here and one r here. Okay, then we just simply multiply all the terms here together. So this one you can be it can be simplified. So negative 2 over 3. So here is 1p, 2p, total up you will get 3p. Okay, and q, and the last one is r. Okay, for this part is to find the quotients for each of the following for two algebraic terms. Okay, so I show same thing. I show you the part G and H. Okay, you have negative 12 uv cubed and w squared divided by negative 16 uv squared w. Okay, you can just write in fraction first. So negative 12 multiplied by u. 3v. This is multiplied, huh? Okay. Multiplied by 3v here. And then we have 2w here. So divided by negative 16. 1u, 2v. 2v. 1w. Okay, so negative divided by negative, your answer must be positive. And we just cancel up. This 12 and 16 we can divide it by 4. 3, 4. And you have 1u here, cancel it. 2v, 3v. Cancel 1, 2. Okay, so this v we cannot cancel it. 1w, cancel it. Okay, so the rest will be 3v w, and the bottom we only have 4. So the answer is 3 over 4 vw. You can do it this way. If you don't want, you also can do it this way. This will be faster. Okay, same thing here, cancel up and divided by 4. You have 3, you have 4 here. Okay, so the u 1 power 1 power 1, you just cancel up. Here you have power 2, here you have power 3. So 3 minus 2, you have 1 left. Cancel this one, you have 1 left. Okay, this one is w to the power of 1, this one to the power of 2. 2 minus 1, you have 1 left. Okay, so the answer will be 3 vw divided by 4. You will get the same answer. And I suggest that if you have tried a lot of questions, it's better you do it this way because it is faster. Okay, so I go to part 8. Okay, let's look at this one. The same thing. Divide, it change become a fraction. 7e squared f g divided by negative 28 e f squared and g. Okay, so negative, positive, negative, sure you know that it will be negative your answer. So divided by 7. Okay, so e 1e here, but here is 2e, e squared. So 2 minus 1 you get 1. This one e cancel up. Okay, so here you have 1, here you have 2. So now you cannot okay, for this part you take the bigger number. We always take the bigger number minus smaller number. So here you just cancel up f 1. So 2 minus 1, 1 left. Okay, so g is just cancel all. Okay, what's the answer? The final answer will be 7 E. No more F here, but we have one F left here at the bottom. So how about the bottom part will be negative 4. You have one F. So this is the final answer. Okay, let's continue to part G. Part H. So 7E square F square G divided by negative 28 E F square G. Okay, so positive negative, sure, we know that our answer must be in negative. Divided by 7, simplify it. Okay, so here we have 2E, here you have 1E, you cancel, you left 1E here. Okay, so F square, okay, you just cancel up. G also the same thing, you just cancel up. So the final answer will be 1 over 4, but you don't forget the negative here. Negative. And you have 1E left. So the answer is negative 1 over 4E. Okay, for this chapter I stop here first. Hope that this video help you understand more about this chapter. See you again next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.